Okay, so we have to start. Madam rides the bus. Yesterday I introduced to you that it is a story of a young girl who has a dream to go into the world outside, and what she experiences is given in this story. As I told you that it is the story of a little girl, Valli. So I am going to begin the lesson. There was a girl, come to page number 117. There was a girl named Valli Mai who was called Valli for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, watching what was happening in her street outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. And this was I think that this is the same condition of yours. But for Valli, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Okay? She was 8 years old. How much? 8 years old. And she used to stand at the front doorway of her house. Okay? And she was very curious to know what was going to happen and what was happening in her street. When actually the reason behind is that she had no other playmates in her street. कोई friends नहीं थे साथ में खेलने के लिए, ठीक है? And therefore her favorite pastime was to stand at the doorway of her house. And the it was enjoyable for her. When she used to stand at the door, it was an enjoyable experience for her. Watching the street gave her many unusual experiences. Apart from watching the many things, it gave her many unusual experiences. When we watch the things, when you stand at your doorway and you watch many things, a number of things come before you, isn't it? Khushi Naraniwal, you can speak. Harshit Kaler, Julia.
Yes.
I think that some of you might have joined the class and went out of it. I feel so. Because this Harshit Kaler did not reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit Kaler, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So be attentive, okay? So the most fascinating
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
of all was the bus that traveled between our village and the nearest town. It passed through our street each hour, once going to a town and once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Valli. Okay? Now see what happened. When she used to stand at her doorway, the thing which fascinated her the most was uh, coming and going, arrival of and departure. Means the to and fro movement of the bus fascinated her the most. Okay? to and fro movement of the bus fascinated her the most because there she found many new faces in the bus. एक छोटी सी चीज है, सिंपली क्या है, बस, जो उसको अट्रैक्ट कर रही है, बिकॉज she had nothing else to do, she had no playmates to play with. Okay, so that was the only thing that gave her a joy. Okay, so it was the only source of joy for Valli. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually, a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." Neither she or nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. Okay? Now, what happened? As the time passed, day after day, the idea came to her. The earlier, it was a small idea that came to her mind that she also wanted to ride the bus. एक आइडिया आया कि मुझे भी बस में राइड करना है. Then it became an overwhelming desire. एक एक्सट्रीम डिजायर बन गई, अरे मुझे अब तो बस में जाना ही है. पहले तो हम सोचते हैं, विश होती है चलो कभी हम बस में बैठेंगे, बस में कभी जाना है, और धीरे धीरे उसकी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर बन गई है. Then even she wanted to sit in the bus for even once. Okay, so Valli would stare wistfully मतलब बहुत चाहत के साथ, with longing. So she would stare at the bus that passed there wistfully, and even at the people who were going on and off, coming out and moving into the bus. Even she used to watch them also. She used to watch their faces, and she realized their faces would kindle in her longings. Their faces, वो उन लोगों के जो चेहरे थे, उससे उसकी जो इच्छा थी वो और ज्यादा तेज हो जाती थी बस में बैठने की. See, when we see some people coming out of the theaters, okay, movie theaters, and if we are unable to enter or watch any movie anytime, we have a desire to look at, move into it, to watch a movie. And if we don't get any chance, we watch the people, those who have come out of the theater, isn't it? Their facial expressions, and their facial expressions create a sort of jealousy among us. अरे हम तो जा ही नहीं पा रहे. And the same happened with Valli. Okay? And if any of her friend used to ride a bus, they shared their experience to sit in the bus, and she felt jealous, quite jealous, when they shared their experiences. If her friends got any chance to sit in the bus, and when they described the experience, she felt quite jealous. And then Valli would shout, proud, proud, and actually no one of them knew the meaning of the word proud, proud. Okay? But it was a slang word that they used to speak. Slang word होते हैं वो words जो हम अक्सर बातचीत में बोला करते हैं, भले ही उनका कुछ मीनिंग ना हो. ओके? जैसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं अरे, कुछ बोलते ओके. After every sentence, some are in the habit of speaking one or the other word. Okay, fine. Okay. So they used to speak proud, proud, though they did not know the meaning of these words. Fine. But it was the slang expression which was used to show the disapproval. Okay. Next stanza. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. What happened? The fare was 30 pies one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 pies, she could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45, and be back home by about 2:45. See, on and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Now she started planning. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people. She used to listen to the conversation between her neighbors and the other people who used to travel in the bus. And she asked them some discreet questions. Okay? कुछ questions पूछे carefully ताकि किसी को doubt ना हो जाए. Discrete questions here and there. And therefore, in this way, by asking them several questions, she came to know and satisfied her curiosity. She was able to collect certain details about what she had to do and she had not to do. She calculated that the town was 6 miles from her village. उसने ये कैलकुलेट किया कि शहर उसके घर से, उसके गांव से 6 miles दूर है. And the fare means kiraya. Fare was 30 pies only, one way. एक बार जाने का किराया 30 pies है. And the same the next. And then she also heard a well-dressed man say, okay, what did he say? That the fare was nothing much, nothing at all. किराया कोई ज़्यादा थोड़ी है. But to Valli, it was more than enough. But Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from 1 month to the next. वली को तो इतना पैसा 30 paise एक से दूसरे महीने तक नहीं मिलता था. So it was a very difficult job for her to manage money. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. The way to the village to town, that took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. Now she planned that if she reaches the town in 45 minutes, remains sit, and if she sits over there in the bus itself, and she would come back in the same bus in the evening in 45 minutes again. Okay? This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus and to the town. Okay? If she was planning that she would take 1 o'clock bus, then within 45 minutes she would be reaching to the town and be home back about 2:45. Okay, means for how long the bus would be staying over there? बताओ, 1 o'clock start होगी, 1:45 पर town पहुंच जाएगी. ठीक है? And she would be back by 2:45. So for how long the bus would be staying in the town? Sanghan?
15 minutes.
15.
15 minutes.
Okay.
15 minutes.
So this way she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Anyhow, actually she wanted to go to the town. She had never seen any town ever before. Okay. So I hope you have got it. समझ में आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
we can continue with the lesson. We can continue with the lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second part. Do the assignment in your notebook, what I have sent. Okay? दिव्य व्यास, written work कर रहे हो कि नहीं तुम?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing the written work or not?
Ma'am, homework कर रहा हूँ ma'am.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will see when we meet. So, come to the second part. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and returning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus!" And a tiny hand was raised commandingly. Okay. Ultimately, she planned everything. She decided everything. एक fine spring day के दिन afternoon में, when the bus was just about to leave the village and turning into the main highway, village से निकलकर main highway पर जाने वाली थी. एक छोटी बेबी मतलब वल्ली की, naturally it was the voice of Valli. Stop the bus, stop the bus. And a tiny hand was raised commandingly. उसने अपना हाथ ऊपर किया, रोको बस, रोको बस. The bus slowed down to a crawl, and the conductor, sticking his head out the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly." And the bus came to a halt. Crawl करके मतलब speed करके कम करके रुकने लगी. And the conductor, who kept his head out of the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly." तो उसने बोला कि conductor asked her to hurry and asked her that who was about to come. It's me, shouted Valli. I am the one who was to get on. The conductor was expecting that she was there to stop the bus and some other people were coming to board. But when this conductor asked Valli that who were the people coming there, so she said, no one else. I am the only person who is about to board the bus. It's me, shouted Valli. I am the one who has to get on. मुझे ही बस में चढ़ना है. But now the bus had come to a stop and the conductor said, oh, really? You don't say so. The conductor was surprised and he said, are you really interested? Do you really want to ride the bus? Oh, really? You don't say so. तुम ऐसा नहीं कह सकती. Means the conductor could not believe that a small girl could ride all alone in the bus. Okay? So this way, yes, I simply have to go to town, said Valli, still standing outside the bus. And here is my money. She showed him some coins. And this Valli was quite confident while boarding to the bus. She said very confidently, yes, I am. I simply have to go to the town. हाँ, मुझे जाना है town. And here is my money. It was she was at by the time she was still standing out of the bus and she showed the conductor the money that she had in her hands. Okay, she showed her some coins that she had money and she wanted to let him enter the bus. Okay, so I suppose it's enough for today. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
anything that you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything that you want to ask, just